my name is Whitney and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped by. Here on Perfected Imperfection, I share my thoughts with you on things like makeup, fashion, and lifestyle topics. I also do reviews and tutorials, so if that sounds fun to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon and turn on all of your notifications. I would super appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Spring Box. So let's get started. I am so excited to open up this box today. If you haven't seen my winter FabFitFun unboxing, go check that out. But spoiler alert, I really liked it. So I can't wait to see all the goodies that I get today. Now, just in case anyone hasn't seen my FabFitFun winter unboxing that I mentioned, and first of all, how dare you, let me tell you a little bit about FabFitFun. They are a seasonal subscription box that you can get for $49.99 at the start of every season, or you can do what I did and get an annual subscription for $179.99. This unlocks more customizations when it comes to your box, which definitely won me over. FabFitFun members also receive access to add-ons, edit sales, and exclusive offers. Okay, now let's open up this box. Okay, on top I see we have some cute stickers for springtime. I got some coupons. And then we have the magazine that every box comes with. In the magazine, it will tell you the breakdown of all the prices of the items in your box. It also has like fun stories and things like that. I think it has recipes and other stuff in there too. So, I eventually would like to read this, but I'm a procrastinator, so who knows? All right, let's move on. Now we have the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. I love the packaging. It's super shiny. Now this retails for $28. Let's open it up. Okay, that is very shiny. Look how pretty that is. I really like that. It has this like gold glitter in there, super pretty. I like to use these kinds of items for the summertime when I want to be shiny and beautiful. So cute, like that. All right, now we have the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule for $38. Again, I really like this packaging. It's very minimal. I like the writing that's on there. It's in like this really pretty cursive. Just looks super cute and elegant. Let's look at the product inside. All right, so it comes with a little dropper. And the bottle is glass. It's a glass bottle. This would look really cute on your vanity to go with all your beautiful skincare items. So yeah, I can't wait to try that out. All right. Now I have the Ahava Refreshing Facial Gel Cleanser. This retails for $28. Now I have tried things from Ahava before. I believe we received something in our winter box from them as well, and I have used like a hand cream from them, so I'm excited to try out this cleansing gel to see what it is like. I've heard really good things, so that's exciting. So far we've gotten some really good skincare, so let's see what else we have. All right, now I have these, is it Sai, maybe? Um, we have these reusable beauty rounds that retail for $15. It looks like you get 3 in here. So let's open this up. I love reusable face rounds and stuff. Ooh, they're really soft. Oh my goodness. Really, really soft. These are good, like you just wet this and you remove your makeup with them. I have a lot of like makeup erasers, but these are kind of like poofier, which is very interesting. So they're poofy and way softer. So I'm very curious to see how these work. And $15 for 3 where they're so big, I think that's a pretty good price. So I'm also excited about this. This is something that I'll definitely get a lot of use out of. All right. Now we have this Joy Dravecki ring in here. It's the Chloe ring and it retails for $75. Let me get this off of here. It's really, really pretty. It is like gold, and the stone is like a green, not quite like an emerald green, and it kind of has like an ombre effect. I don't know if you all can see that, but it transitions from a darker green to a lighter green, and I think that's really, really pretty. It kind of matches my outfit, so I think I'm gonna just keep it on. $75 though for this ring. You know, I would not, if I purchased this, I would not pay $75 for it because it doesn't feel $75 worthy. It's very lightweight. I mean, it is pretty. Okay, it's pretty, but it's extremely lightweight. I mean, I feel like you could get this probably somewhere for like 20 bucks. I don't know. Not 75 though. Okay. Now we have the SF Glow Suns Out Pouts Out Lip Mask for $16. The packaging on these is, I can't decide if it's cute or like cringy. Let's open it up and determine. I love lip masks, so if you all have never tried a lip mask, I definitely recommend. Okay, I kind of think it's a little cringe. It's like a biting lip thing. Like, I don't really need that. I don't really need that image for a lip mask. Like, just put some lips on there and be done with it. It's fine. These are $16 if I'd said that already, but they said that they're gold foil lip mask, so you can look real bougie. So fun. We love to look bougie sometimes, y'all. Now we have the Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink for $48. This was one of the items that I chose because I needed new slippers. I have currently, which I love, I have Unicorn House slippers, and they're literally the greatest. But for like summertime, I figured these would be pretty cool. All right, I got mine in medium to large, and they look really big, so that's good and fine. But this is what they look like. They're super cute, very soft. Not a lot of give though. There's some cushion, but it's kind of hard. The bottoms though, they look like they're going to last a really long time. They have like really good grip on here, so that's good because I am super clumsy. So I like that. Maybe I won't fall and kill myself like I do now. So yeah, I really like these, and I know that I personally will get a lot of use out of them because I spend like 80% of my life in pajamas and slippers. So, yay. Okay. And one of the last things that I have is the Tech Candy UV sanitizer that retails for $60. So I was really intrigued by this because I've been thinking a lot lately about how gross my phone gets. You know what I mean? It's one of the things that like I don't often sanitize, and I know that I should. So yeah. This says that this sanitizes in 5 minutes. Now, I don't know how this works. I, of course, will have to read the instructions. Oh, look, this kind of matches my shirt, too. How precious. But you basically open this, and it has disinfectant UV lights or something. So you plop your phone in here or whatever you want to sanitize, and you just close it. Shabamo, 5 minutes, and it's supposed to be sanitized. And, you know, I love that because that's not very long. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to wipe it, all that, blah, blah, blah. So, to me, that saves time. So, this makes for a total value of $304. The box would have cost you $49.99, which makes for a total savings of $254.01. With this box, I also purchased, I did an add-on of the Perricone MD Science Rejuvenating Moisturizer, which normally would have cost you $98, but no, I only paid $12 for it. So I am super excited about that. All right, y'all. Now, the main question of life, is this box really worth what you pay for it? So let's talk about that. Now again, I am an annual subscription member, but let's say that you're just paying the regular $49.99. You got a lot of things in here. Now for me personally, because I do get to do more customization, I did pick out a lot of these things. So I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of these items. I picked the sanitizing, the UV sanitizer out because I want to sanitize my phone and other items that I have. The slippers, again, I basically spend my life in PJs and slippers. So I know that I am going to get a lot of use out of this. The cleansing gel, I love skincare. I'm always up to trying new things when it comes to that. These little face rounds, like they feel so good, and I use items similar to this to take off my makeup anyway, so again, gonna get a lot of use out of that. The ring, it's there, it's cute, like, you know. Would I necessarily gravitate towards this? No, probably not. But I do think it adds a good value to the box. The body oil, super cute for summertime. The lip mask, I'm going to get a lot of use out of all these things. So I've said that like 500 times, but that's because it's true. The add-on, the rejuvenating moisturizer. Now, I watch a YouTuber called Jen Loves, and she dives a lot into like ingredients and things. So she actually recommended this moisturizer for the ingredients in here. And I use other Perricone MD things. So this was also a great add-on benefit to the box. So in my little humble opinion, for whatever it means, yes, I highly think that this box was worth it for the $49.99 price point. Like, it's so good. So thank you, FabFitFun, for just continuing to kill it. Also, if you all liked my box or are interested in FabFitFun, I will leave my link down below and you will receive $10 off your first box. Also, I would love to hear from you. Let me know what y'all thought about my box in the comments down below. Well, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today on my channel. If you liked this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button. And if you want to continue to hang out with me, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your notifications so you'll know as soon as my next video drops. But most importantly, always remember, imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Bye, y'all!